What's up, everybody? Welcome to my garage. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. As you can see, the Bentley's still here. Last video we test drove the C8, James's C8. Yes, that's on the list. We got two more vehicles to test drive, the C7 Z06 and the Camaro ZL1. But that's not today's video. Today's video, we're going old school. The Bronco, she's back, baby. We're gonna full reveal her today. Now, I know some will say this getup is fake, but it's not. This is a real cowboy hat. I bought it at a real country store. This getup, yep, all authentic. I'm not sure if these are the ones I was thinking they were. What do we got? Oh no, they are. These are just ridiculous, which is why I bought them. These are old school. These are from back in my day, but the red and the black just, yeah, this is, love it. I will definitely be repping these soon, but not today. Today, I just want to enjoy the view. Also, pay no mind to the yellow bumper protectors. They're just out because I like to look at them. They're not going back on the car. I'm probably not going to do that. Now, I'm going to let y'all marinate on that scary thought while we jump into the Mercy and go get the Bronco, baby. Vertical doors, I got them on the Shelby, but they're slightly cooler on the Mercy. No hats in the car. Saddle up, partner. Let's go.
I'm a little bit embarrassed to be with you right now.
We brought the wrong Lambo to go get a Bronco. We got to change. Yeah, SUV. That's what we needed. Okay, we went from an SUV to an SUV. This is not the same vehicle. This is 100%. This is a different vehicle.
Thing you've ever done.
Biggest thing I've ever done? I mean, I haven't done a lot.
I realize
so
that.
I think Alex Lambo Jesus would be proud. This is so clean. This is sick. Wow. Whew. Check this out. AC, baby, come on. I don't know how you people with hair do it because I'm like sweating profusely right now, but the Bronco, I'm excited to get her back finally. We're gonna keep her at home for a while. I've owned her for 8 months and she's never really been at the house this entire time, so we're gonna enjoy it. Oh, you guys wanna see the paint? This is, the inside looks the same. So we're gonna get her home, show you guys the paint. Let's check it out. Now, the name of the paint is called East Nor Green, and I'm gonna be honest, I do not really, I don't care for it. So we gotta come up with a different green name for the paint code, but also for the beast. I don't name any of my cars, but I think this thing, it needs, we could do the Hulk, but I think that's like too stereotypical. We should, what do we call her? Comment below. Now, I've never painted a vehicle before in my life, so this whole experience was new to me, and I gotta say, it was pretty cool, it was pretty fun. Dave would send me picture updates, we'd talk about different options, what bits to paint black, the underside, doing the window trim pieces, all that stuff. It was super cool to kind of like think it through and envision what I wanted it to turn into, but also like talking through those options to make sure I didn't do anything stupid, like paint it green plaid. You guys have no idea how close we were to going plaid here. It would have looked epic, but I think this was the right play. We're gonna do a few other like black vinyl accent pieces to kind of like give it a little bit more. It's kind of plain. I love the color. I love the black roof here and the black side mirrors, but we need a little more on the side. Obviously, the purists will say, leave it as is. It's perfect. Don't make it too busy. We're not gonna go crazy, but we're just gonna give it a few nice touches. Also, they painted the door handles, which was awesome. We didn't mess around. We painted the inside door trims right here. It's super, super clean. I've never painted a vehicle in my life. This was the first time, and I gotta tell you, Dave is the man. He absolutely killed it. We also got the front grille painted. He also got to work underneath. If we can crawl under here and take a look at this, he did all of this underside, cleaned it all up. It looks so good. It's all the little things. Now, while we're under here, this suspension, this setup is, it's decent. It's lifted, obviously, but I think I need to upgrade it because she's a bit squirrely. Like, it's not the easiest beast to keep in a straight line. At 60, you're just kind of like, so we might upgrade the steering and suspension, but I don't think that's gonna be the next improvement on the list. We might do new wheels and tires first, but I don't know. Now that I say that, maybe we should do suspension first. Do you guys think this setup looks okay? Should we not mess with that? Mess with that? I don't know, comment below. Probably the first thing we should fix is, I don't know if you noticed, there's no bumper here. This is not a front engine twin turbo setup by any means. Basically, the front bumper was kind of old, disgusting. We couldn't really clean it up, so we threw it out. I need to get custom front and rear bumpers. I've kind of got one connection already we're working on, but if any of you know where I should get custom bumpers for the Bronco, I don't want OEM, I want custom bumpers, comment below where I should look, because I did a search, but you guys know me, I'm incapable. I found nothing. I don't know what to do. Husky, hey, what's up? This Bronco is yours. Do you not care? For you younger folk, this is what keys looked like in 1993. They were just, it was just this. It was that simple. Now, I want to do a startup for you guys, really kind of remind you how much oomph this thing has, but it's kind of late. I know it's light outside, but it is past baby's bedtimes. I like my neighbors. I don't want to wake them up. All right, so it's been a minute, but we're back and we are inside of the smart car. That's right, the poor, neglected, sad smart car, but we need to remedy that. Also, you may notice the long flowing hair, the locks, they are gone. I don't know how you people with hair do it. I mean, it's hot, it's sweaty, you got bed hair, you got to use product, the maintenance, it's just exhausting. Bald is best. All right, as you can see here though, the Smart is dead. Dead as a doornail. The battery is actually underneath the passenger footwell, which is kind of cool. We got to get that replaced because her life here is coming to an end. To be clear, the car's life is not coming to an end. The car's life here is coming to an end. It's going to a different life somewhere else. But she is just sad, poor, neglected, dirty. We're gonna fix that though. But we gotta get the Raptor out of the way so we can jump start her with the Bronco. Cut that one a little close, but we're good. Now, typically when you have a dead car, you bring the car that works to the dead car, but it's a Smart. We're gonna nudge it down the road. I gotta figure out how to put her in neutral when she won't turn on, and then we'll push her. I'm sweating, but we did it. Oh yeah, we're rocking steady. Okay. Actually, I don't even need to push it. We'll use gravity, we're good to go. Okay. This right here, folks, this is what you call science and gravity. Let's go. No, come with me. We did not almost hit the Raptor, but we were very close to the Raptor. I don't know if you can tell, but we're going uphill. Yeah, let's go. If you didn't believe it before, gravity is real. Uphill is harder. All right, Green Beast, we didn't get you for nothing. You're a workhorse. Black on purple and red on orange, pink and green and red and brown. Woo! When cars don't work the way they're supposed to, it can be quite annoying. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the cables are smoking. Ow! I think the Bronco was too powerful for those weak little cables. I should have just tried to jump start it real quick before anything else. Okay, we're just gonna go quick. This makes me a little nervous, but I'm desperate. Woo. Let's go. Nothing blow up. Smart start. I think the cables are fried. Nothing. Why won't you start? Car broken? Yeah, cables are on fire. Woo. I need bigger cables, jumper cables. Also, the Smart may be more than a dead battery. There was no life in her. All right, so, ow, it's hot.
Hey, I feel like you're in need of the good homie hookup.
I was just gonna say my jumper cable situation is no bueno. I got a bunch of cars and no cables.
I saw hoods up,
yeah,
and you walking around scratching your head, and I assumed you needed help.
So I almost blew up both those cars. My jumper cables were literally smoking. So we're gonna try your method. You got 5 minutes?
Yeah, I got 5 minutes.
Okay, if you need a mortgage, contact that guy.
Sharp Lending Solutions. What's up? And I can help water your lawn, by the way.
That's a whole different subject. Ignore the grass. I think and hope it's just a battery. I hope nobody's paying attention, but positive is deep, negative is here. Not the other way, and I did not do it the other way
That
at
could
all.
cause some trouble. Is that why it smells like somebody burning in here?
Give it the boost button. I guarantee nothing's gonna happen. I may have cooked everything. This thing is so dead. It's neglected. I've put cables on backwards.
Oh!
Whoa. You push buttons.
Let's go, let's go.
Yo, come on! Yes, baby! Link below, the man right there, the hero. That was, yeah, we're good. Yeah.
Did you just shut off the car?
No, it just died.
Did you put gas in here?
8 months ago. Come on, baby. I'll give it some gas this time. Okay, come on. All right, she's dead again. And the battery is, it's not auto-genning. anymore. Whew, this turned into a disaster. Okay, we're gonna try again.
Will you buy some stuff that works?
There we go. Okay, come on. We're gonna give it a little extra juice here. Try unplugging that. This is not a self-sustaining vehicle.
Dead.
We're gonna try the Bronco. It's got, All right, without a doubt, I did these ones correct the first time. You can see positive, red is positive. I know I joke about colors, but yeah, we're good. As you can see, this is what melted cables look
Look at
like.
this, boys and girls.
Wow.
Learn to read directions.
I think they'll still work. Let's give them a go. Start the Bronco, baby. Right? Okay, no fires. Here we go. No smoke. It helps when the cables are not about to light on fire. Oh yeah, American baby. That's a rev. We haven't heard that rev yet. We're gonna let it charge up for a minute. We're gonna let them run for a second. There's no smoke on the cables. Let's see if the Smart keeps running when we kill the Bronco here. What a beast. I love this thing. Love it. Barely had it for a day and she's already putting in the work. We're gonna take the jumper cables with us, even though, oh no, it's not sustaining. This is such a disaster. Okay, Bronco. One more time, baby. She'll start. No biggie. The minute we disconnect power, she dies. I'm obviously thinking alternator. Probably not as much as a Bentley's alternator, so. All right, so I know I joke around a lot about like the red goes on brown and purple and pink, but positive goes on positive, negative on negative. And as you can see, when you don't do that, the cable starts to smoke, then eventually something blows up, something gets fried, explosions, cars catch on fire, house catches on fire, we're homeless, a lot of expensive repairs are possible. So pay attention when you're plugging in those jumper cables. It's not that complicated. You gotta pay attention. Now, we're gonna turn off the Bronco. They've been running for a minute. Smart's probably gonna die. Probably gonna need to get it towed. It's a little too far to push it. I'm gonna rev the Smart and then turn off the Bronco, see if it still runs. Leather's baking in the sun and I got burned. Stay running, stay running. We might be good. It maybe just needed to run longer. Okay, final test here. If we unplug this and she keeps running, that's gonna be a miracle. Amazing. Here we go. Let's be kind. Be kind. Oh, okay. Well, that's it. That's all she wrote. She is dead. Well, that was a lot of effort for nothing. Okay, I took a second, I caught my breath. This video's gotten away from me. I thought it'd be simple, jump start, take it to the shop, we'd move on with our lives, but we're gonna tow it with the Raptor, purple plaid, putting that to work, putting the Bronco to work. Everybody's working today. Get it to the shop, get it fixed up, and then we're gonna be done, move on with our lives, which will be good because we need to, because next video we're gonna test drive a sick C7 Z06. I've never driven one, so it's gonna be either super incredible or I will be left unfulfilled. I'll either want one or I won't. I don't know. We'll see what happens. You guys might know if you've driven one. Anyways. I may not have great jumper cables, but I do have a recovery tow strap. And I got a Raptor with tow hooks. We're good to go. Oh, the Smart is just designed to be towed. Tow hook, front bumper, easy peasy. All right, so it's been like 25 years since I've towed anything, especially with a strap, so this could go great, or the front of the Smart might end up in the back of the Raptor. Obviously the Raptor will be fine, but I'll be in the Smart, so my face is gonna end up in the Raptor's bumper, and my face may not survive that. Hooked. Fortunately, this isn't like jumper cable, so you can't really mess up the you just hook it in. I could mess it up, but I don't think I did. We're rolling, folks. The brakes work. We're good to go. We got Mrs. Burlacher giving us the tow today. It's extremely hot. The windows don't work because your battery's dead, obviously, so we're cruising with the door open, but we're live. We're almost to the shop. Mrs. Burlacher, she's killing it. Purple plaid. It can tow a Smart. I'm glad I bought a tow rope. We did it. What a saga. I will say this, it's a lot easier to tow a Smart than pretty much any other car because they're baby. I don't know what to say. It's been a day. It's been a day. The Smart is gonna get fixed up. We're good to go. Mrs. Burlacher is now a successful tower in the Raptor, and we're gonna go home. I'm gonna eat a Subway sandwich. Proof, making gains, and we're gonna call it. We're gonna end this catastrophe. I wish you all the best of luck. Make sure you go crush it. Peace.